Today, we're going to talk about one of the components as a part of our waves, currents, and tides standard. Our overall learning target is I will analyze and interpret data to create graphic representations of the causes and effects of waves, currents, and tides in Earth's systems. First, let's talk about waves. What are waves? Waves are created by energy passing through water, caused by wind. So the wind blows air, which creates energy that gets passed through water, resulting in waves. Let's look closely at the parts of a wave. We have the crest, which is the highest point of the wave. Trough, which is the lowest point of a wave. Wavelength, which is the horizontal, left to right, distance between crest and troughs of two adjacent waves. Adjacent meaning right next to. And wave height. Wave height is the vertical distance, up to down, between crest and trough. Wave height depends on wind, speed, distance, and time. So let's draw and label a wave. First, we need to draw a line which will represent sea level. Then we'll add in our wave foundation. The highest point is the crest. The lowest point is the trough. The horizontal distance between adjacent waves is wavelength. And we have wave height, which is the vertical length between crest and trough of a wave. Before we leave here, if you've ever been to the beach or the ocean and you've stood in the water, hopefully you've felt and realized yourself go up and down with the water. That's you being inside of a wave, the up and down motion. Let's look at types of waves. There are going to be two that we talk about. A breaker wave, which is a collapsing wave near the shore. You see a lot of these if you watch surfers. A lot of breaker waves happen near the shore. They're a little bit bigger. Also, a tsunami, which is a giant wave usually caused by an earthquake beneath the ocean floor. Tsunamis are very dangerous, and the water height can be taller than buildings. Answer your essential questions. Use your notes if needed. Also, for more research, try to find a video that shows you ocean waves in the middle of the ocean. It's a little bit hard to believe, but ocean waves can get really high in the middle of the ocean. It's hard to imagine. So try to research something like that. Also, when answering your essential questions, make sure you're keeping your learning target in mind.